Today, I'm going to show you my very magical Harry Potter Christmas tree. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is my tree topper. So I didn't want to go with an owl or the sorting hat or something traditional. I wanted to kind of do something a little bit different. So I found this tree topper at Target, and it has the mirrored center in it, and I thought, that looks like it could be something more. So I grabbed one of my die-cast little mini elder wands and attached it to it, and voila, we have Lumos. So I think it makes a really unique tree topper to my Christmas tree. So I have some unique ornaments on here, ornaments that I've made, things that I've gotten in subscription boxes like pins and bookmarks that I have made ornaments, a little bit of everything. So I just kind of wanted to include all the things I love. So I have some cauldrons on here that represent some of the potions because I have all my potions in the background. And then I've got my little Potion Masters pin on here, Hogwarts, all of my little house crest bulbs. I have the Hallmark bulbs I've gotten in ornaments. I have my little Nifflers and Honeydukes and Gringotts and Snape and the Sorting Hat. You name it, I have it on my tree. I've got the Hogwarts Express. I've got some owls delivering owl post, a little bit of everything. And I just kind of wanted something that was pretty and represented everything that I love about Hogwarts and Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts, and just something a little bit whimsical and fun. I also made little icicle-looking ornaments out of some of my wands, so I have several different wands on the tree that are hanging as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I have in my home for Christmas, and hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas, and just know that I appreciate all of you, and I love that I'm able to share some of what I love with you guys. So I'm wishing all of you a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and I appreciate all of you. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.